हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, here we talk about the epithelial tissues. तो एपिथेलियल टिश्यूज़ में अगर इंट्रोडक्शन की बात करें तो द कंट्रैक्शन एंड रिलैक्सेशन ऑफ दीज सेल्स रिजल्ट इन द मूवमेंट ब्लड फ्लोज द एंड कैरीज various substance from one part to the other part of the body. Blood and muscles both are example of tissues found in our body. Different types of animal tissues such as epithelial tissues, connective tissues, muscular tissues and nervous tissues. तो डिफरेंट तरीके के जो टिश्यूज होते हैं वो एपिथेलियल टिश्यूज, कनेक्टिव, मस्कुलर एंड नर्वस. ब्लड इज अ टाइप ऑफ कनेक्टिव टिश्यूज एंड मसल्स फ्रॉम अ मस्कुलर टिश्यूज. एपिथेलियल टिश्यूज की बात करें तो ऑलवेज ग्रोज इन द सेम अदर टाइप्स ऑफ टिश्यूज. Cells of epitheliums are set very close to each other and the tissues rest on a non-cellular basement membrane consist of single layers of cells. Blood vessels are absent and non-nervous in nature. It covers all the organs and lines all the cavities of hollow organs like stomach. It is primarily protective in functions. Type of tissues है तो देखो कौन कौन से होते हैं. It is classified as squamous epithelials, cuboidal epithelials, columnar epithelial and ciliated epithelium. तो squamous epithelium जो है it is also called the pavement epithelium. Cell arranged end to end like tiles on a floor. Cells are polygonal in a surface views. It forms a delicate lining of cavities, mouth, esophagus, nose, pericardium, alveoli, blood vessels and covering of the tongue and skins. ये सब इन जगह पे ये टिश्यूज मिलते हैं. Epithelial cells are arranged in many layers to prevent wear and tear the skin. This flattens is stratified squamous epithelium. Now we will talk about the cuboidal. Cubical epithelium, they are cube-like cells that fit closely. Cells look like a square in section, but free surface appear hexagonal. It is found in the kidney tubules, thyroid vesicles, in a gland, salivary glands, sweat glands में मिलते हैं. It forms germinal epitheliums of gonads, testes and ovaries. It involves in the absorptions, excretions and secretions. It also provides the mechanical support. Now columnar epithelium. तो columnar epithelium means pillar-like epitheliums. It forms a lining of stomach, small intestine and colon forming a mucous membrane. Border of the microvilli is present at the free center end of each cells which increase absorption efficiency in a small intestine. Ciliated epithelium की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो ciliated में भी cuboidal and columnar दोनों तरीके के हो सकते हैं. On its free surface are present protoplasmic outgrowth called cilia. It helps in movement of ova in the fallopian tubes. Now talk about the connective tissues. Connective tissues, the cells of the connective tissues are widely spaced and embedded in an intracellular matrix. The nature of matrix decide the function of tissues. White and yellow fibers are present in the matrix. White और yellow fibers मिलते हैं matrix में. उनके basic functions जो है वो है provide the support to different organs and keep them in the place. फ्लूइड और वेस्कुलर टिश्यूज़ की अगर हम बात करें तो ब्लड एंड लिम्फ इसमें काउंट होते हैं. तो ब्लड इज अ कनेक्टिव टिश्यूज. फ्लूइड मैट्रिक्स ऑफ द ब्लड इज प्लाज्मा हैविंग फ्लोटिंग सेल्स कॉल्ड द कार्पिकल्स. Blood helps in the absorptions of the nutritive substance, gaseous, excretory products, hormones, etc. Now come to the plasma. It forms 55% part of the blood and a constituent of 90 to 91% of water. 7% of जो fibrinogen, globulin होते हैं. 0.9% जो है इनमें inorganic salt जो है वो होते हैं. Corpuscles forms the 45% part of the blood and RBC also called the erythrocytes containing red colored respiratory pigment कॉल्ड WBC। WBC जो है अगर हम बात करते हैं तो उसको हम बोलते हैं ल्यूकोसाइट्स। दे आर कॉल्ड द सोल्जर्स ऑफ द बॉडी। सो बॉडी के सोल्जर्स बोले जाते हैं। दे आर इरेगुलर एम्बियोवाइट phagocytes cells that protect our body by the engulfing bacteria and other foreign particles. They are of 5 types. 5 तरह के होते हैं WBC जो वाइट ब्लड सेल्स हैं या फिर हम ल्यूकोसाइट्स कहें तो उनके जो टाइप्स हैं वो दीज आर ऑफ 5 टाइप्स: मोनोसाइट्स, लिम्फोसाइट्स, बेसोफिल्स, न्यूट्रोफिल्स एंड एरोसिनोफिल्स। ओके, ब्लड प्लेटलेट्स और थ्रोम्बोसाइट्स की अगर हम बात करें तो दे आर स्पाइंडल शेप्स सेल्स विच आर इन्वॉल्व इन द क्लॉटिंग ऑफ द ब्लड। ब्लड की क्लॉटिंग में ये हेल्प करते हैं। नाउ कम टू द स्केलेटल टिश्यूज। दीज आर द हार्ड कनेक्टिव टिश्यूज दैट फॉर्म द सपोर्टिव फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ द बॉडी। इट इज ऑफ 2 टाइप्स, बोन एंड कार्टिलेज। बोन और कार्टिलेज जो है स्केलेटल टिश्यूज में काउंट करते हैं। बोन matrix of the bone is very hard because of salt such as calcium phosphate, CaCO3 60 to 70% etc. and proteins oceans. Bone cells are embedded in this hard matrix. Matrix is deposited in the form of concentric layers of lamellae formed around a central canal, and duct cells occupied small space between the concentric layers of the matrix. The long bones are usually hollow containing cavity called as a marrow cavity. Marrow cavity उसको बोलते हैं. It is the full of bone marrow. उसमें bone marrow जो है वो भरा हुआ होता है. Cartilage is the tissues. ये tissues जो होते हैं ये elastic होते हैं, less harder as the compared to the bone. Elasticity is due to the presence of प्रोटीन्स जो होता है. सेल्स आर कॉल्ड एज द क्रोनोडोब्लास्ट which are widely spaced and matrix is reinforced by the fibers. It occurs at the joint of the bones in the nose, ear, trachea and larynx. It provides flexibility and great tensile strength. कनेक्टिव टिश्यूज़ जो है ये एविडेंट होते हैं, मोस्ट एविडेंट टाइप ऑफ टिश्यूज़ होते हैं, बहुत अच्छी उसमें मिलते हैं ये बॉडी में बहुत अच्छी क्वांटिटी में. इट इज़ द फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू द 2 टाइप्स, येलो फाइब्रस कनेक्टिव टिश्यूज और वाइट फाइब्रस कनेक्टिव टिश्यूज. येलो फाइब्रस कनेक्टिव टिश्यूज जो है इट इज़ वेरी इलास्टिक ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ नेटवर्क ऑफ येलो फाइबर्स इन इट्स मैट्रिक्स इज कॉल्ड द लिगामेंट. येलो कलर का फाइबर होता है जिसको कि हम लिगामेंट बोलते हैं. विच अटैच्ड बोन टू बोन, जो कि बोन से बोन में अटैच होता है. वाइट फाइब्रस कनेक्टिव टिश्यूज की बात करते हैं तो दे आर वेरी लिटिल मैट्रिक्स containing abundant white fibers forming layer. Bundle of these tissues are called the tendons which attach muscles to the bone. Areolar tissues, this is the most distributed connective tissues in the body. This tissues fills spaces inside organs and found between the skin and muscles around the blood vessels, nerves and the bone marrows. Now come to the adipose tissues. Adipose tissues, these are oval round cells filled with the fat globules. The cells are called the adipocytes. It is found in the subcutaneous layers between below the skin, around the heart, brain और below the eyeballs. जो एडिपोज टिश्यूज होते हैं ये मतलब राउंड सेल्स होते हैं और फिल्ड विद द फैट ग्लोबुल्स. फैट इनके अंदर होता है जिनको कि हम एडिपोसाइट्स बोलते हैं और ये स्किन के अंदर होते हैं, हार्ट के अंदर होते हैं, ब्रेन के और बिलो द आईबॉल्स के नीचे होते हैं. इट एक्ट्स एज अ इंसुलेटर, प्रिवेंट लॉस ऑफ हीट फ्रॉम द बॉडी. मस्कुलर टिश्यूज की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो मस्कुलर टिश्यूज मूवमेंट आर द brought about in our body with the help of muscular tissues. They are long fiber like cells called the muscles fibers. They are capable of contractions or relaxation. Type of muscular tissues are striated muscles, cardiac muscles, fiber muscles and non-striated muscles. Now come to the striated muscles. They are also called the voluntary muscles because these are under the control of one's wills. इनको voluntary muscles बोला जाता है जिसको कि हम control कर सकते हैं. Muscles fibers or the cells are multinucleated or unbranched. Each fibers is enclosed by thin membrane which is called the sclerolemma. Cytoplasm is called the sarcoplasm. These muscles get tired and need rest. Now come to the cardiac muscles fibers. They are only involuntary muscles, only found in the ball of the hearts. Their structures is in between the striated or non-striated muscles. They are uninucleated and branched. Branches are united by the intercalatal disc. In these muscles, rhythmic contractions and relaxations occur throughout the body, throughout the life. Now come to the non-striated muscles. Non-striated muscles are voluntary muscles, also called as smooth muscles. उनको smooth muscles भी बोला जाता है. These muscles fibers are uninucleated and spindle shaped. They are not enclosed by the membrane, but many fibers are joined together in bundles. Such muscles are found in the ball of the stomach, intestine, urinary bladder, bronchi, iris of the eye, etc. Peristaltic movement in the alimentary canals are brought about by the smooth muscles. Now talk about the nervous tissues. Nervous tissues, they are highly specialized tissues due to the which the animals are able to perceive or respond to the stimuli. Their functional unit is called the nerve cells or neurons. जो functional unit है उनको हम nerve cells या neurons भी बोलते हैं. Cell body is called the cytone which is covered by the plasma membrane. Dendrons क्या होते हैं देखो, short hair like extensions raising from the cytones are dendrons which are further subdivided into the dendrites. Axon is a long tail like cylindrical process with a fine branch at the end. Axon is covered by the shell. Axon is of one of neurons is very closely placed to the dendrons of the another neurons to carry the impulse from one to another neurons in the form of electrochemical waves. This close proximity is called as the synapses.